Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to remove gift card from Apple Wallet. So let's get into the video. So open up your wallet. So open up your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. So here you will see all your cards that you have added on your wallet. So if you want to remove your Visa gift card, so what you have to do is simply select your card, your Visa gift card that you wish to remove from your Apple Wallet. So for example, I don't really have a Visa gift card, so instead of that I'll just use my Visa debit card. So I'll just click on it. So when I click on it, then what you're going to do, it's going to pop up the details of your card. So what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this the information option here on your top right. Simply click on it, and then this will get you all the other details of your card. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down here, and then at the very end here you'll see an option called remove card. So what you have to do is simply click on remove card, and then it's going to ask you whether you want to confirm to remove it. So just hit on remove, and then this will now remove your card, and that's it, your card will be removed. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Just select the card and then you can hit select it and then remove it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.